it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, we are going to be tagagawa ng pizza for a day, and we are here sa one of my favorite pizza brands because super affordable. Favorite namin dito yung Hawaiian, palagi kami nagpapadeliver. We are here sa DelishCheese Dough BALIBAGO branch, and they have 8 flavors. What we're going to do is we're going to do all 8 flavors. So yeah, let's go! I'm here with Chef Mar. Siyempre siya yung mag-a-assist sa akin para hindi naman ako magkamali. Hindi na namin pinakita sa inyo yung paggawa ng dough because as you know, DelishCheese is sobrang sikat sa dough nila. Ang dami nilang nakukuha na magagandang feedback about their dough. So, secret na yon. Hawaiian muna.
Opo.
Gano'ng kadami?
Marami lang para hindi maalam.
Oo, di ba maano naman si DelishCheese sa cheese? Ma-cheese naman si DelishCheese. More ba? Kaya pala ang dami-daming toppings pag nag-order kami. Kasi sa Sindalan kami, and then sa kanto namin, merong DelishCheese. Sige pa? Wow! Sobrang dami. Okay na. Pepper beef. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yan. Tapos multiply mo. Yan.
Bacon cheese. Now, I'm going to make naman pepperoni pizza. Isa rin to sa go-to namin na flavors dito sa DelishCheese. So, ito na yung pang-apat ko na gagawin, di ba? All the rest of the 5 flavors, si Sir Mar na yung gagawa kasi medyo mahirap na yung mga yon, yung mga 3 cheese, yung mga pesto. Pepperoni. And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me sa paggawa ka ng pizza. Kahit 4 lang yung ginawa ko. I really enjoyed this vlog kasi as you know, gumawa na ako a few months ago nung milk tea barista for a day, and I would actually want to make this a series eh. parang in my lifetime, I would like to experience as many jobs as I can experience. So yeah, pizza cheers! Thank you for watching! Let me know in the comments kung ano pa yung gusto nyong itry ko sa susunod. And don't forget to follow DelishCheese Facebook pages. Madami yun kasi marami silang branches. And follow them also on Instagram. Till my next one. Bye!